It's time for a new vision of the BMW Group. No matter if we drive, if we're driven, or if we fly. It's time to be ahead of time. Yet again. It's time to reinvent what moves us. To create mobility that is aesthetic and that makes our hearts beat faster. To create mobility that is intelligent and as individual as we are. Mobility that's always by our side. Mobility that gives us freedom. It's time for a broader perspective, for a better future. It's time to forge new paths. Not just from A to B, but from today to tomorrow. Together, we're creating history. The history of tomorrow. BMW Group. The next 100 years.